The task analysis process relies on these sources: job descriptions, job specifications, if they are available, performance data, work sampling, interviews with job incumbents and other subject matter experts, reviews of the academic and professional literature related to the job or the task, internal analyses of operational problems, and data from task inventories that are commercially available or from ONET online. Remember that the goal of task analysis is to better understand the training need so that we can design a training program that addresses it. As we collect and analyze this information, we have to remember that the goal is to better understand the training needs so that we can design a really good program that addresses it.